Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Shares Guitar. On this channel we learn how to play the guitar, and if you're a beginner and you are interested in learning how to play the guitar, this is the right place to be. And I have a series of tutorial videos for beginners that you can take it step by step. I've arranged it in that order, and check the playlist for the beginner tutorial series, especially the new one. In this video I've had quite a number of comments on the Depusheng audio interface, so I want to address a few things. I'll be honest, I don't really like the sound output, and if you are looking for an audio interface that will give you a good output, you want to record the video outright from the audio interface. If you don't mind having that noisy sound in the background, well, you can still go for it, since it's a low budget audio interface. But I had radio noise coming from it, and I think you might want to edit the sound, remove the noise before you can get a good sound from it. And I think that is something that you wouldn't want to do, or you wouldn't want to waste your time on. So I found a way. I use BandLab to be able to cut off the noise. Yeah, so I was able to remove those radio waves that I got from the recording. So in this tutorial, this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing, and leave in the comment section if you had similar problems with the Depusheng, and if you are considering buying the Depusheng, because I bought it less than 60 Canadian dollars. That is, if it's in your budget, you can consider using it. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So I'll share my screen. So we'll start the BandLab, then I'll record straight into the microphone, then we'll add the necessary effects to be able to get a proper output from it. So now I've started recording the screen, and if you look at the screen, I have the BandLab open. BandLab is actually free, and just like I think FL Studio is for sale, BandLab, you can use it online for free, and you just have to create a new project. So I have my acoustic guitar, and it's another low budget microphone. So this low budget microphone. So I'll just go to the voice or audio. Yeah, so I make sure that it's set to the right input. So that's the microphone, and it's on the channel 1 of my Depusheng audio interface. I also have my guitar, so I can add the guitar as well. So I'll just go here, and I'll just go to source and switch it to the channel 2. That's my channel 2. Now I'm going to record. So I'll just hit this start record, but before that you need to make sure that you have enabled multi-track recording. So enable the multi-track recording, and when you record, so I'm now recording on BandLab at the same time, so I can just go into my video editing software, whatever video editing software that you use. I actually use the Blender, but any software works. You just have to upload both the video, and maybe you mute the audio from this video, especially the audio from my phone, and replace it with the one that you are recording on BandLab. So this is what is actually coming from BandLab, and so I'll give you two versions, one without any effects, So when you look at the screen, I'm going to add effects to the there are presets. I actually like the sky sound because it sounds nice. Because it deals with the noise. This noise gate will cut off the noise that the radio waves give. And for the guitar, um, why can't I switch to the guitar? I think it's because I'm still recording. Yeah. So I'll pause it. And maybe I'll put the starter here. So I'll go to the guitar, then add the effects. There is acoustic guitar, so you can go for it. But I don't have the um, noise gate here, so I created the preset. So you can just go to add effects and look for the noise gates. Where are you? Yeah, this guy. So you can switch it to wherever works for you. So you can use the monitoring from the um this so I can monitor this one. So if I go to the effects and I remove this guy, I can hear the noise coming from it. But with the noise gate on, it sounds clean. Yeah, so now continue with the record. Then I'll see how I'll put out the recording in different folds. So I'll pause it. So now I'm recording a new part where I've added the effects for now. So in this part of the audio, I've applied the effects so you can see significant change and improvement. So this is what I actually use for my upcoming videos and my new cover. If I make a cover, that is how I'm going to do, and even some worship tutorials that I will make in the future. So I hope this answers your question. If you are having any issue with regards to um, having a good sound, so I'll go straight and do some quick recording. Okay. So, I still have the monitoring on. I don't like it. If you are familiar with okay, I'm back again. If you are familiar with BandLab, when you are monitoring it has this latency issue that it delays a bit. So I didn't want it to give me monitoring whilst I'm recording. So now if I test it, this is how it sounds. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any comments, leave in the comment section below if there is anything that you want me to clarify. And I hope if you have this sound card and you don't feel good throwing it away, yeah, that is a good fix for you, that you can get a good sound out of it. Or if you have any any software that can clean the vocals without you having to record it before you clean the vocals, which is going to end up reducing the sound quality of your recording itself. So yeah, this is a good fix, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, perfect, one of the Spirit, washed in His blood. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior